If you want to maintain your privacy while using eBay, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Visit the eBay website and enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Go to account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on My eBay. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Access privacy settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Privacy section. Click on it to view your privacy options, including settings related to your online status. Step 4. Adjust online status settings. Within the privacy settings, find the option that allows you to control your online status. Toggle the setting to hide your online presence from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes by clicking the appropriate button, usually labeled Save or Apply. This will finalize your settings and keep your online status hidden. By following these steps, you can enjoy a more private experience on eBay. Remember to review your settings periodically to ensure they align with your preferences.